In this guide, I will show you how to get baggage receipt from United Airlines. The first thing you need to do is open your web browser and navigate to the United Airlines website. Look for the My Trips section at the top of the page and click on it to proceed. Enter your confirmation number and last name into the designated fields. These details are typically provided in your booking information email. After entering your booking details, click on View Itinerary to access your booking information. Scroll down to the bottom of the page where you should find an option labeled Receipts and Refunds. Click on it to proceed, and look for the section that includes baggage receipts. Depending on the layout of the page, you may need to scroll or expand sections to find it. Once you locate the baggage receipt section, find the specific receipt you need and click on View Receipt. After accessing the baggage receipt, you have the option to print it or save it as a PDF for your records. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.